Today we are going to be working on Seadoo's 2022 and 2023, I believe. We're going to be doing a service and checking an IBR module, check engine lights, IBR module error. We're going to grab our diagnostic tool here, pull the deck, check the connections first, and if all of that looks good, we'll connect a new IBR, program it, and see if it's the IBR module itself. Neutral. Just tap forward. IBR module error. I also already checked the 30 amp fuse, and that's good. We're gonna try a brand new IBR and see if it works normally, so we can diagnose the IBR module being bad. See here, there you go. We just program it using the software there. So now we're going to start it. No longer has the check engine light, and when I put it in forward and reverse, the IBR moves. You'll see. So we're gonna get with the customer, let him know that he needs a new IBR module, send him an estimate, proceed from there.